Welcome to my class. In this particular video session, we will talk about data representation. This is part 3 and we will talk about conversion of decimal to binary. Conversion of decimal number system to other number system. We talk about that there are 4 number system. One is binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. In this particular lecture, we will talk about conversion of decimal number system to other number systems. We will be making use of division remainder technique. In the case of division remainder technique, there are 4 steps which we need to follow. 4 steps are involved in order to convert a number from base 10 to a new base. The first one is divide the decimal number which is to be converted by the value of the new base. Second, store the remainder from step 1 as the rightmost digit of the new base. Third, further divide the quotient of the previous divide by the new base. And the fourth and the last point is store the remainder from step 3 as the next digit to the left of the new base number. We will have 2 examples to understand these 4 steps, and we will be converting decimal number system to other number systems. Conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. First example, we have decimal number 25 and we want to convert it into binary. Step 1. Divide 25 by 2. It comes to 12 and the remainder is 1. Step 3 and 4. Divide 12 by 2. It comes to 6 and the remainder is 0. Repeat step 3 and 4. Divide 6 by 2. It comes to 3 and the remainder is 0. Repeat further step 3 and 4. 3 divided by 2. It comes to 1 and the remainder is 1. Repeat step 3 and 4. 1 divided by 2. Here it comes a fractional value. The moment it comes a fractional value, then in that case we will not move ahead. We will take the number 1 as it is. Now in this case we have got some value. In the last step in which 1 is divided by 2, it shall lead to fraction and we shall leave it as it is. Hence we get 25 decimal number is equivalent to 1, 1, 0, 0 and 1. This is binary equivalent of 25 decimal number system. We would like to have verification also whether this binary number 11001 is equivalent to 25 or not. Let's go for verification. Let us check that value of 11001, which is in binary form. What is the equivalent of this number in decimal number system? We have number 11001. Now in this case, this 1 is digit, this 2 is base. Digit multiplied by base raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0, then 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, then 2 raised to power 4. Now let us multiply it. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 0. 1 is digit, digit multiplied by base raised to power 0. It comes to 1. The next value is this one. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. The next number is this one. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. Again this comes to 0. The next number is this one. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. It comes to 8. And the last number is this one. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. It comes to 16. When we add up these numbers, this comes to 25. It means the binary equivalent of decimal number is 25. 11001, it is in binary format. Once we convert it into decimal number system, then this comes to 25, base is 10. So our answer is correct. We have seen it here that 25 base 10 is equal to 11001 binary base. Base is 2. Here our example is, here our verification is absolutely correct. Let us move on to another example. Conversion of decimal number system to binary number system. Example 2. 77 base is 10 and we want to convert it into base of 2, that is binary. 77 divided by 2, that is equivalent to 38. Remainder is 1. 38 divided by 2, it comes to 19. Remainder is 0. 19 divided by 2, it comes to 9 and the remainder is 1. 9 divided by 2, it comes to 4 and the remainder is 1. 4 divided by 2, it comes to 2. Remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2, it comes to 1 and remainder is 0. If we divide this one, last one, by 2, then it comes into fraction part. We will not touch upon it and we will leave it as it is. Now the value of 77 decimal number system, base is 10. 77, its binary equivalent is, from the bottom we will move upward and we will write it like this. 1 0 0 1 1 0 1. Student, you must remember that in this particular case we move from the bottom and we write from the bottom side. Now the binary equivalent of 77 is 1001101. But we would like to have a verification of this thing, whether this binary number is correct or not. So we take the same binary number, that is 1001101, and we want to convert it into now decimal number system. In this case, 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4, 2 raised to power 5 and 2 raised to power 6. Now let us multiply these digits with the base. These are digits and these are the base. Base is binary. 1, this one multiplied by 2, raised to power 0. It comes to 1. 0. This 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 1. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. This one multiplied by 2 raised to power 2. This comes to 4. Now again this one multiplied by 2 raised to power 3. This comes to 8. Now this 0 we are talking about. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 4. It comes to 0. Now this 0 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5. It comes to 0. Now the last one is this one number. This is the digit multiplied by base raised to power. Digit is 1 multiplied by the base. Base is 2 and raised to power 6. This comes to 64. Once we add up these values, then this comes to 77 and the base is 10. So if we convert this binary number, we get the value that is 77 decimal number system. We converted decimal number to binary and then again binary to decimal number. And we find that our answer is absolutely correct. This is the way that we can convert binary number to decimal and decimal number to binary number. Thank you very much.